Okay, let's get back to the last part. Last part is this. Speed of the large pulley, when there is a speed loss, there's a speed loss of 5%. And what is the rotational speed of the pulley when there is a speed loss of 5%? And the speed loss is due to slip and creep. Because belt, when they move, they have centrifugal force and throw it off. So therefore there's some speed loss. Now we know that in our study of the drive mechanism, velocity ratio is always input speed over output speed. And we also relate it to the diameter, the big diameter over the small diameter. This is the ideal condition. So let me just manipulate this and say omega naught will be d small d over big D times the omega I, and I got 100 over 250, and the speed given was 450. Now this is the ideal condition, but the actual one, let's say at 5% speed loss, that means that there is some speed loss due to slip and creep. Then omega naught will be 5% of this. You lost 5%, 1 minus 0.05. That's a loss of 5%. And there I have 0.71 RPM. So that is where because of the centrifugal force, the belt is being thrown out and you have some speed loss. And that brings me to the end of lecture 9. Thank you.